Sa kasunod na page, there are many souls to come out. Marami pang mga kaluluwang lalabas dahil Revelation 18:4 eh. Panawagan ng Diyos yun eh. There are many souls to come out of the ranks of the world, out of the churches, even the Catholic Church, whose zeal will far exceed than of those who have stood in rank and file to proclaim the truth heretofore. For this reason, the 11th hour laborers will receive their penny. Ayon sa context na ito, sa uling araw na ito, etong mga matitikas na mga lingkod ng Diyos sa iba't ibang samahan ng pananampalataya, pakikinggan nila yung panawagan ng Revelation 18, yung another angel, yung latter rain power. Sila yung tinutukoy na 11th hour workers in these last days.